Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the surface and assembling gear: the Doodle Scrub, a soft cloth, mild soap, and 1/2 cup water. Once done, test a 1 cm inconspicuous spot for 30 seconds so you know how the material reacts. Then wet the scrub lightly. It should be damp, not dripping. Apply a small amount of soap to the pad and position it at the edge of the stain so you can control pressure as you begin removing debris. Now focus on technique. Use short, controlled strokes in the direction that follows the grain or pattern of the surface. Make sure to vary pressure, light for delicate finishes and firmer for stubborn marks, so you don't overwork the area. Once foam appears, rinse the pad frequently to remove trapped grit that can scratch. If the water turns cloudy, replace it. Contaminated water reduces effectiveness. Keep checking the test spot to confirm progress and avoid weakening finishes as you work. Finish by rinsing the cleaned area thoroughly and patting it dry with a soft cloth so you can see the true result. Once dry, inspect under good light. If faint residue remains, perform one gentle pass rather than aggressive scrubbing. For stubborn or discolored spots, stop immediately and test a mild solvent on the small spot. If the issue persists, consult a professional. This prevents permanent damage. Make sure to clean and dry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.